Okay, good morning, folks, and welcome to Swing Trading today. This is Bob Desmond, and it is 5:46 in the a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm a bit late this morning, so I'm going to make this quick. This morning, by the way, members, I already put up morning update in the members area. Go check it out after you get done watching this video, please. It'll give you the macro strategy as we proceed into the trading day, what we're going to do moving forward with positions, etc. Now, what we were looking for on the NASDAQ, this is a 4-hour chart. These will all be 4-hour charts. What we were looking for was a breakout above what I have set up here, an alert. This is the reason why you don't need to sit in front of your computer all day if you have a day job. We set alerts, whether it be on Thinkorswim for the pre-market activity or on TrendSpider for our macro plays, daily, weekly, monthly plays. There's a link below to TrendSpider. Go check them out. We did not take out this high. In fact, we put in lower highs. But yesterday, we took out prior lows, both on a closing basis and on an intra-period basis. This morning, we are rallying back. We could come all the way back up here to what was prior support, will probably now be resistance, at least for the short term. So I would not chase this morning's rally. It's all about how we close, folks, not about what we do in the morning. That's a sucker's play. Watch how we close out the day. The S&P 500 daily chart, same deal here. We are rallying this morning. I think we'll find resistance up here at this 20-period moving average. So again, we don't want to chase the morning's rally, especially in the transports. The transports are really weakening up, and they have been a leading indicator, so be careful here. Taking a look at the U.S. dollar, the dollar is setting up for a continuation move higher this morning, so that does not bode well for precious metals. We broke out on the Fed announcement yesterday, big surge. This morning, or the overnight session, we did pull back, but we are now firming up. This 4-hour bar opened up 49 minutes ago, and it appears as though we are going to break out higher. Remember, the overall trend for the dollar is up. I was concerned about the dollar going into the week, given that we do have precious metal plays on, meaning the gold miners, silver, and they will now come under some pressure. We did nibble yesterday on the pullback on the gold miners. If we see a failure of the dollar to break out, only to roll over here, we will be looking to buy aggressively the gold miners and silver, but not until then, unless, of course, they trade in tandem and the price of gold and silver begin to break out, even with the U.S. dollar. But that means that there's fear out there, a Brexit-type fear, and I don't see that quite yet. Now, what might influence the dollar is they're projecting a trade deal next week. If that is announced, I would expect weakness in the U.S. dollar. Going over to gold. Gold is down on the morning, slightly off the lows of the session. We have a new 4-hour bar here. We have not taken out the prior bar's lows. This bar will close at 9 a.m., so we'll see what happens at that point in time. Again, we want to trade these markets on a closing basis. How are these bars closing? Are they closing at their highs, or are they rallying only to fade and move lower? That is a signal by the market that whatever you're trading is either strong if it closes at the highs of the period, or if it fades, it is weak. The market sends us signals. It's up to us to acknowledge those signals. Bitcoin is up this morning. We have a nice consolidation here, and we are sitting just shy of resistance. If we break out and above, let's call it 54.79, I think we're heading up to the 6,000 level on Bitcoin. So I would watch for a breakout, a retest of the breakout, and then a continuation move higher. That is it for this morning, folks. Let me get this out to you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Everybody have a profitable trading day. Be well.